Hi everyone, my name is Akhil. So we are a team of four working as SAP interns from different domains. So our product name is S-Lens. So the main existing challenges we are uh, the solving here are when we are working as in international teams, we often find hurdles across the world with people as a language barrier. Like different people have different languages, and sometimes when people give their screenshot message in foreign language. Example for in Jira helping screens and in support teams where the customers shows their error screenshots. So they give their screenshots in their native language, whereas coming to the processors, they can't understand this language and they have to wait till the translator comes. And sometimes when the translator translates also, they feel like more explanation is needed for these translations. So we have created an product tool, an artificial intelligence tool, which translates gives the live translations for the screenshots, and also the user will have an usability to translate the text in his preferred language. So for the user experience, in the next forward we have wanted to create an web UI Chrome extension, so it can be easily add as an plugin to the Jira and also to the support team itself. And currently, we made it as it can support all images in any format, and it can also be translated image in your local disk, so you can use it for your future reference. And how we bring difference. So currently there are more number of translators in the market, but they only translate the text, not the image. And also there is in SAP itself have an SAP Mission Translator, but it won't translate the text in the image and replace the text in the image itself in any language we want. So the flow of a product is if we send a screenshot in Japanese, our S-Lens will detect it and it will translate in the preferred language you want, as translated to English in hello, as hello. Yeah. So as we don't have much time and we have very less resources, so we haven't created the front end for this, but the AI model and the backend is ready to show. It takes a bit time to detect the text and to convert it, as we are using the open source tools. And when we use the SAP built-in SAP translators, it will be very helpful to get the accurate results. As you can see, music is converted to ite in Japanese and fur and everyone and this.